Let's go for a ride. I got a feeling I'm probably gonna have to tip this camera up more for the sport bike. Go for a quick ride to the post office, short loop. These aren't torque monsters, but boy, when you get them revved out, it's a little chilly today. Drop off a few key tags, 2 winners this time. Light and nimble. Brakes work good. The heck is going on today with people on the road? Yeah, I know I didn't put that stupid USB thing mounted yet. I don't know where I want to put it. Tony and David going out.
That's what she said.
She's a whisper in the wind, a scream on the street. 2 wheels of fury, light and sleep. Fair 59cc, hear her heartbeat, hear her scream. She's a missile in disguise, a rider's dream. CBR fever, she's lightning and fire. Throttle open wide, she takes me higher. From 0 to 60, she's already gone.
I only put about a gallon in here. Man, I hate to go to Kent and put gas in. Do a quick first and second gear takeoff here. Brought first gear up a lot more. I was lifting that front wheel. Yeah, she's an arm stretcher when she gets some RPMs up. You see why everybody likes these bikes. About 118 horsepower. Not bad for a 365 pound bike, I think it is. 0 to 60 in 3 point something seconds. Quarter miles, 11 seconds at like 130 something. Pretty respectable for a 600. Put my blinker on. What a fun little bike. Nice blinker. Yeah, she's fun. Just trying to burn a carbon off, you know. Just short little ride. We'll go over to Bolts and check everything over again, and we'll go back out. Might have to switch to my other helmet without the bill on it. You know, it's got the visor on the top. Get over 100, it starts lifting your helmet off. Oh yeah, definitely running good. I'm surprised there's no scratches. The zipper on this thing must be plastic. Cold road, but tires heated up a little bit. See, I got that fender to work in there. Just had to drill that hole up there. But it works. So I noticed in my videos, it seemed like I was kind of steered to the left a little bit. So going by the marks, these look pretty darn close to me. So let's do the old straight method. Do that. Almost 2 inches. A little off, but that wouldn't throw it that far off. I straighten out that front wheel, and yeah, it does look like could be a little bit of a twist in the forks. Might be able to get that back. We'll loosen up the triple tree, give it a little twist. I have this perfectly lined up with that. That's almost 2 inches. It could go a hair more. So if I straighten handlebars up, that's about 2.5 there, about 2.5 there, right? Pretty straight. I got this whole side loosened up. Might have to loosen that too, a little bit, because there's no wear. Those aren't bent. They don't bind, and they look perfectly straight. So hopefully we'll get it with just a triple tree loosen. Now look at the difference here. That's tucked under the tire. It's quite a bit. Quite a bit. I don't know if I'm going to make that up. Let's try. See if you can tweak this back enough. We'll loosen that up a little bit too. And we'll loosen this one up too. So only one clamp is holding this. Got the wheel blocked, not the rotor. Now you see how much movement you can get just from that. Wait for my son to come home so he can help me. So with a little help, twisted it and tightened the bolts down. You can line up to that back tire on both sides. So you got the same amount of tires sticking out, so you know you're pretty straight. It's a little under 2.5 to the center, so 2.5 to the bottom of that screw. Pretty close. It's pretty close.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.